Looking for the best Singer sewing machine and seeing the same features everywhere. Same stitches, same buttons, same photos. But which one actually handles thick denim, won't jam mid-project, or won't overwhelm a beginner? The real difference isn't in the ads, it's in how they perform when you actually start sewing. Product number 1, Brother XM2701, the reliable beginner pick. Let's start with the Brother XM2701. Now I know it's not a Singer, but hear me out. This lightweight machine packs 27 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, all for under $170. If you're new to sewing or want something simple for everyday mending and light projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic needle threader alone saves so much frustration, especially if you've ever squinted trying to thread a needle. The drop-in bobbin means no more fiddling with tiny bobbin cases mid-seam. Plus, it comes with 6 presser feet, a twin needle, and even a 3-piece needle set, basically everything you need to start right away. With over 8,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly hitting a sweet spot for casual sewers. Now some people might complain that it's not built for heavy fabrics like denim or canvas. And yeah, that's fair, it's not a workhorse. But here's the thing, if you're sewing clothes, quilts, or home decor with cotton or lightweight materials, this machine handles it perfectly. It's not trying to be a heavy-duty beast, and that's okay. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or someone who sews occasionally and wants reliability without complexity. Skip this one if you plan on sewing leather, thick upholstery, or multiple layers regularly. For the price and included accessories, it's solid value. Product number 2, Singer 4452 Heavy Duty Bundle, the all-in-one powerhouse. Now, if the Brothers' lack of heavy-duty power bothered you, the Singer 4452 Heavy Duty Holiday Bundle takes a completely different approach. Priced around $322, this isn't just a machine. It's a full kit with an extension table, specialty feet, and serious muscle. If you want to sew thick fabrics like denim or canvas without breaking a sweat, this is the one. Here's why this matters. The 110-stitch applications come from 32 built-in stitches, giving you flexibility for everything from basic seams to decorative finishes. But the real game changer is the enhanced motor, 50% more piercing power than standard machines, and a full metal frame that keeps everything stable, even at 1,100 stitches per minute. The included extension table is a lifesaver for quilting or sewing large items like curtains, and the bonus blind hem and open-toe feet add professional touches without extra cost. Now, some users mention the learning curve. There's a lot going on with all those stitches and feet. And yeah, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first. But once you get the hang of it, the versatility pays off. Also, it's heavier than lighter models, so not ideal if you need to move it around a lot. This is perfect for you if you sew frequently, work with thick materials, or want room to grow into advanced techniques. Skip this if you only do light mending or hate dealing with multiple accessories. For the bundle value and power, it's one of the best mid-range options out there. Product number 3, Singer 4411 Pink is stylish speed with serious strength. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better if you want power with a pop of personality, the Singer 4411 in vibrant pink. Here's why this matters for you. Whether you're sewing costumes, home decor, or heavy-duty denim, the extra motor power means fewer skipped stitches and smoother performance on tough fabrics. The top drop-in bobbin is transparent, so you'll never run out of thread mid-project, and the adjustable stitch length and width let you customize for applique, basting, or decorative work. Plus, it comes with a $60 value accessory kit, bobbins, feet, tools, even a soft cover. Now some people wish it had a one-step buttonhole instead of the 4-step version. And yeah, that's a slight inconvenience if you're sewing lots of garments. But for most projects, the 4-step process is still reliable and precise, just takes a few extra seconds. This is perfect for you if you want a fun, powerful machine that stands out and handles everyday to heavy tasks. Skip this if you absolutely need a one-step buttonhole or prefer a more traditional look. For the performance and included extras, it's a great balance of style and function. Product number 4, Singer 4423 Meltwater Blue, the premium heavy-duty choice. Now, if you're serious about sewing and want the best Singer has to offer in the heavy-duty range, the 4423 in Meltwater Blue is a standout. At $309, it's packed with 97 stitch applications, a one-step buttonhole, and a motor with 50% more power than standard machines, plus that sleek, modern design. Here's why this matters. The one-step buttonhole is a huge time saver for garment sewing, and the 97 stitch options cover everything from stretch fabrics to decorative finishes. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin make setup fast and frustration-free. The adjustable presser foot pressure and extra high lift mean you can easily sew thick layers, think quilts, upholstery, or leather, without strain. Now some users note it's heavier and louder than lighter models. And yeah, at over 17 pounds, it's not something you'll carry to classes. But that weight comes from the full metal frame, which adds stability and durability, exactly what you want for long-term use. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate to advanced sewer who works with a variety of fabrics and wants professional features. Skip this if you need something portable or only sew occasionally. For the power, features, and build quality, it's one of Singer's best. Product number 5, Singer M1500, the lightweight everyday machine. Finally, if you want a Singer that's easy to move, simple to use, and great for everyday tasks, the M1500 is a smart pick. At $193, it's lightweight at just under 10 pounds, has 57 stitch applications, and includes preset stitch settings, perfect for beginners or quick projects. The 4-step buttonhole is clearly marked, and the threading guides are right on the machine, no more hunting for the manual. It's ideal for quilting, crafts, mending, or making simple garments. Plus, the free CREATIVAT app gives you digital support anytime. Now, some users wish it had more decorative stitches or a stronger motor. And yeah, it's not built for thick fabrics like denim, but for cotton, knits, and lightweight materials, it performs smoothly and reliably. This is perfect for you if you want a portable, user-friendly machine for everyday sewing. Skip this if you frequently work with heavy fabrics or need advanced features. For the price and ease of use, it's a great entry-level Singer. So which one should you pick? The Brother XM2701 if you're a beginner on a budget. The Singer 4452 if you want a full bundle with heavy-duty power. The 4411 if you love color and speed. The 4423 if you want the best features and don't mind the weight. And the M1500 if you need something light and simple. Each has its strengths. Pick the one that matches your sewing life, not just the specs.